What's going on, YouTube? It's another banger lined up just for y'all, okay? So I'm pretty sure you probably have seen all the videos out there about different unboxings of these new S24 Ultras. I did a video on the titanium orange one, but we're not stopping there. I got a special surprise video for y'all. That's right. It's gonna be another unboxing. So let's see what we got lined up for y'all. Let's get to it, okay? Samurai sword. All right, this time we got for y'all the yellow, even though I have heard that this gives off other color vibes, okay? But we're gonna check it out, just direct, see what we got, okay? So bring it in so y'all can hear this. Let's bring in the samurai sword to finish this second part. But let's do it. Let's go ahead and try the pull tab. All right, seems like that helped it just a little bit. Oh, wow. I'm liking this. I'm loving this. Real quick, so we can just move past this, just so y'all know what we get in the box, okay? Classic Samsung. You know what you're gonna get automatically. Super simple. Let's make it real fast. We've got, of course, the normal SIM ejector, quick start guide and manuals and warranties, all that good stuff. Then we're gonna have that USB-C. Pop it out of here. And so go ahead and look at the phone right now. So as you see, titanium sides, but this one is, I'm trying to get this in focus here, see if I can move this box out, help the camera out a little bit. So you can see, come on camera, right here, got the titanium sides. Okay, so it's supposed to be yellow, but it looks a little bit more gold to me. Here's the other side right there. Then you got the top. Then we've got the bottom. And let's check out and see what this S Pen color is looking like on this one. So we got a black S Pen with that yellow tip on it right there. Again, it looks more gold to me, y'all. So again, here's the back. Not so much yellow, looks to me more so gold. You can see on the camera accents, even those look more gold to me. Let's go ahead and, all right, sounds good, looks good. Get it powered up. Samsung goodness, powered by Android. That's gonna be it, y'all, for the unboxing for this yellow Galaxy S24 Ultra. Just real quick to the point, nothing complicated. You guys already see this in the other video. If not, go check it out. Unboxing of the titanium orange S24 Ultra. Let me know what y'all think. Which one color you like better? Do you like the yellow, aka gold, or you like the orange, titanium orange, aka what I call orange sickle, or that cream sickle? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, folks. I appreciate y'all's time. Listen, I'm so close to 100 subscribers. I can feel it. Help me break that 100. Help me go for the 200, 300. This year, I want to hit that 1,000 subscribers. I need every single one of y'all's help to get that accomplished. I cannot do it without y'all. Y'all are the lifeblood of this channel. Thank you so much for being here, checking out this video. Have an amazing week.